Hello everyone, I'm here I think with my final entry to the wedding dress challenge, and this one's from Judy Parker. And Judy, your entry number 32 and your ticket number is 23. And I've opened up the envelope, and it was in another envelope. I just opened this up and I'm ready to take everything out. And I haven't looked. Check and see if there's a card. Oh, oh, isn't that cute? It says, Marlene, first I just have to say how much I enjoy your channel. I consider you a friend. I've never met. You enrich so many people's lives. God bless you for that. I also want to say this is my first ever steampunk, so I hope you like it. God bless you, friend, Judy Evans Parker. Oh, that is so nice. A nice card, Judy. Thank you. And your first ever steampunk. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. This is beautiful. I'm getting a little bit into steampunk. See, how do I open this? I didn't bring my scissors. Oh boy, let's see. Here we go, maybe. There. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Look at this. My gosh, look at the texture on this. She's put each and every piece of paper on this. It's got some gears. Steampunks there. This is beautiful. And a bird in a cage. A little clip that keeps it all together. Let's see. Let me unclip it. I don't have anything like this. And this is the first page. Oh, this is so pretty. Pretty paper here. And a balloon. And these, this folds out. Oh, isn't that pretty? It is so pretty. Thank you so much. And some journaling pages. And she's done the sides of it. Isn't that pretty? Lots of pages to write in. And I don't know what these are called. I'm sorry. Isn't that pretty though? So she's stamped a key on this side. And a key there. They're kind of like a pocket. And here's another 7 gypsies. 4 cling stamps. Aren't those pretty? Awesome. Thank you, thank you. And then some more papers. And then this page. I like this. World Traveler. Cool. Beautiful paper here, and a paper clip, and a pocket. Very nice pocket. You did an excellent job. And then another one of these. Very pretty, and some goodies right in through here. And this one is bottle cap ink. Epoxy stickers. Those are cool. They fit right down into a bottle cap. And this one is vintage apothecary labels. And this one's from 7 Gypsies. Oh, I like those too. Okay, these used to be labels on things. Okay. All right, this is awesome, Judy. I love it. Oh, and here's a tag. Very nice. I'm going to put these right back in here. And there's the back. Isn't that pretty? I love it. And she's got the tie on here. The light bulb, old-time light bulb, and the paper clip. Thank you so much, Judy. This is awesome. I'm going to use this too. But I love this texture. I'm going to have to try that on stuff. Okay, let me get your totals. And I didn't see a VR, but if you've done one, let me know below, and I'll add more tickets to your total. So this is kind of like a loaded envelope. So I'm going to give you 5 tickets for that. And let me get back to your page here. So far you have 5. And if you do a VR, you still got time. And just let me know below so I can find you. Okay, total of 5 tickets. All right, I'm getting really excited for this challenge to end. And I'm going to be writing out tickets tomorrow. Get them all ready to go. I believe I have over 500 tickets. But if you'd like to see your totals, there's your entry number and your ticket total. I'll go down the list really slow. Your entry number is actually your video number, so you can find it again. And these people did VRs, so they got 10 tickets. I'll show this list again with the grand total at the bottom. So I hope to see you all Monday. And I want to say thank you so much, everybody, for entering. And good luck with the drawing. Talk to you soon. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.